In this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how you can download Python 3.12.6 on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, you can open up the CMD to check if you have Python installed or not. So just open up the CMD here and then type here Python. If you have installed it, it should give you the Python shell just like this, and also it should show you the version. You can see the version I am using is 3.10.9, which is very old. Now I'm going to upgrade this version to latest one. So let's close this one. So type here Python. All right, so first go to this website and hover on this downloads, and you will see here latest download like Python 3.12.6. So just click there, and it should instantly download you Python just like that. And simply open up this application, and you should see this here like install Python 3.12.6. Now you need to do is you need to use this as admin privilege when installing py.exe, and you also need to add the path to your environment. So you need to do this to be able to run Python properly, and then simply click on this install now button and hit on yes. So as you guys can see that you have successfully installed this, so you can simply hit on close, and then you can simply now open up the IDLE. So you can see right here I have IDLE, or you can simply type your IDLE and it will show you the Python IDLE, and you need to choose the latest version because I have installed latest version as 3.12. But I also have older version as well. If you want to delete this, you can simply delete it. I will not delete this right now because I need that as well. So I'm just going to launch the latest version. And this is how your IDLE shell look like. So now you can print and try to code or whatever you wanted to. So there you go. This is how it should work like. Print hello. You can also do from terminal shell as well. Python, that's just Python like that, and print hello world. And there you go. It's just that simple to install Python latest version on your Windows 11. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and leave a comment and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.